Welcome back to another edition of the Python programming series. In this video, we'll be talking about data types. In our previous videos, we've mentioned strings more than a single time. We've talked about strings, concatenating strings, length of a strings, and all that. So, apart from string, we have other major data types in Python. We talked about strings. So another data type we have is integer. We also have floats, and we also have Boolean. So these are the major data types we have in Python. We also have other data types, but these are the major ones. Okay, so you already know that for something to be called a string, for any data to be called a string, it must be enclosed in either double quotes or single quotes. So you can call this string 1. You can say double quote strings. And you can also have string 2, which is single quote string. Both of them are valid string types in Python. Both of them are valid string data type, and you can perform whatever operations you perform on normal strings on either of two types of string. You can perform concatenation. You can find the length of a string. So you can call this concat string. So, and that is going to be the addition of both. So you can say string 1 plus string 2. So with this plus sign, you are performing string concatenation, right? And you can also print that. So you can say print concat string. Let's run that and see what we have as our output. So you can see we have double quote string, single quotes. Both of them have been added together using this plus sign. And you can also find the length of a string using the length function. You can find the length of a string. The length function returns a number. So you can say concat string. You can also print that. What do we have? What is the length of both concatenated strings? So you can say print. Let's save that and run that. What do we have? So we have 39. We have a concatenated string, and you have the length of both strings to be 39. So you can perform these operations on string. So another data type we have is integer. We have integer as another data type. So we can tag this string, which is the data type. Right, and another data type we have is integer. Integers are whole numbers without decimal points. Integers are just numbers. They are whole numbers. They don't have decimal points. That is the distinction between integer and float. Float is also number, but floats always have decimal points. A floating point number will always have decimal points, whereas integers are just whole numbers. And with both integers and floats, you can perform your mathematical operations. So you can say print. You can say your 23 is a number, and 41 is also a number, which are both integers. So you can print this. If you print this, you are going to have the result of 23 plus 41. Okay, so here you have 23 plus 41, which is 64. All right. This 39 is the length of this concatenated string. We can comment this out so it doesn't cause confusion. And run this again. All right, so we have 64 as the addition of 23 and 41. If both of them are strings, what are we going to have as our answer? So let's print this. 23 as string will be inside of quotes. So you have 23. You can also have plus 41 as string. So what are we going to have as our output? The output is going to be 2341. because having both of them as string data type and using the plus sign is going to concatenate them, and then you are going, which is going to result in 2341. So you can run that and see what we have. So you can see 23 plus 41 as an integer, as integers will give you your mathematical value of 64, but as strings it's going to give you 2341. The output of any operation you perform is mostly dependent on data type of the input. So let's go to floats. Floats are numbers. Float are numbers with decimal points. So floats, so 2.5 is a floating point number, which is floats. 2.0 is also a floating point number. The difference between 23.0 is that 23 is an integer, whereas 23.0 is float. Okay, and the last data type we'll be talking about now is Boolean. We have Boolean. We have two major Boolean, which is true and false. And your true and false are always written with the false character as capital letter. So your true comes with capital letter T and your false comes with capital letter F. So those are the major data types we'll be talking about for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next lesson.